Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're signed in as an administrator and ready to remove the PIN. First, back up any important credentials and make sure you know your Microsoft account password. You'll need it. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign-in Options. Locate Windows Hello PIN and click Remove to begin. If prompted, confirm with your Microsoft password. Once done, the GUI removal handles most cases quickly. Make sure you complete the confirmation prompts so Windows unregisters the PIN from your profile. If the Remove button is grayed out, switch to a local account first. Settings right arrow Accounts, right arrow your info, right arrow Sign in with a local account. Once on a local account, revisit Sign-in Options and remove the PIN. If that still fails, run NetPlus to inspect auto sign-in options and untick any forced sign-in. On Pro/Enterprise, open gpedit, MSC and navigate to Computer Configuration, right arrow Administrative Templates, right arrow System, right arrow Log On. Set Turn on Convenience PIN Sign-in to Disabled, then restart. These steps force Windows to allow PIN removal. After you remove the PIN, restart Windows to ensure settings propagate. Sign out and back in, verify that Windows prompts for your password instead. Make sure you have another secure sign-in method enabled, such as a strong password or two-factor authentication. If Windows still behaves as if a PIN exists or removal errors occur, create a new administrator account, sign into it, and repeat the removal steps for the affected user. That often clears profile-level locks. If that fails, note the exact error and seek targeted support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.